Good day to my dear future employers. I am Rochelle Salvador, 28 years old, from Bagao, Cagayan Valley, Philippines. Happily married and blessed with one daughter age of 9. I am a hardworking, responsible, and patient, especially when it comes to caring for the children and managing a household task. I have work experience here in the Philippines from January 2020 to January 2024, serving a family of 4. During my employment, I took care of children aged 4 and 6 years old. My main duties and responsibilities are: I assured the safety of the children, prepared their daily needs, give them a proper care and attention, and I performed a household chores like cooking, cleaning, marketing, and gardening. I successfully finished my contract, which reflects my dedication and reliability. To my future employer, I hope you can hire me as your helper, and I can do my best to serve your family with honesty, patience, and dedication. Thank you, ma'am and sir. Hope to see you soon. Bye!